Hello everyone. This is Gayatri Priya, Assistant Professor in the Department of EC of RMD Engineering College. In today's Adhoc and Wireless Sensor Network session, we are just going to discuss what is an Adhoc network, and we are going to find out what is the basic difference between the traditional cellular network and the Adhoc network. Right. First, let us see what is a network. Yes, the networks are connection between the devices which enable resources and the data that is to be shared. So this is a traditional network. Okay, the pictorial diagram represents a traditional network where you could see various sort of computers, laptops that are being locked with a router. Okay, either we can store the data as a database or we can have it in the cloud. Anyhow, if we want to connect these two devices, we need a connecting component. That is, here it is going to be a router. Okay, this is in the case of the networks. Right. So actually the networks makes the communication process very easier as well as faster, and it should ensures the efficient usage of the resources. Right. So we could see a traditional network is like this only. It will be very clumsy. That is, it will be having bunches and bunches of wires put together. Even if we have any fault, it is very difficult to find out or to track where the fault is. Okay, the troubleshooting is a a difficult task. Even though the trouble is identified, the replacing that particular cable is going to be a tedious task. Since the networks are going to be fixed, we could not make much change over in this traditional network. Yes, we'll be having a router from where we are going to connect a laptop. This is in the case of a traditional network. Okay, even if I want to make a communication between a laptop and a desktop, I need a router. Okay, the same way, now we are going to discuss what is an ad hoc network. Okay, so as according to the picture shown here, the ad hoc is nothing but a spontaneous event which could happen without any planning at all. So, since there is no planning, the setup is going to be very temporary in nature, and the modifications can be made very easily in case of your ad hoc network. Right? The same example, let us take. Okay, if I want to make a laptop, okay, so here we could see router. If there is no internet connection, okay, so if we want to do something, we are seeing no internet connection, that is, we don't have any Wi-Fi there. Okay, so what would be our immediate step? We will be just turn on our personal hotspot, right? So from the personal hotspot, I will enable the Wi-Fi connections and will work accordingly. Okay, so if you could see, if there is no Wi-Fi connections, we will be turn on our personal hotspot in order to enable the Wi-Fi. Okay, this is not a pre-planned one. Okay, so all on a sudden, if you are uploading a file, okay, we are in need of Wi-Fi connections, so that we are just turning on our personal hotspot. Okay, so and we are getting the internet. Okay, this is a spontaneous event which happened without planning. Okay, hope you understand what's the difference between a cellular network and ad hoc network. Thank you.